Okay, Jaceland Adventures here, Tennessee. Here's what we got. Big rock. We got this big rock stuck in that hole. Big machine got it out. Now big machine's stuck. One side. One side's okay. I believe it's still on top. So I'm gonna break it down for you. It still has movement, but it's full of mud. So I don't want to make it worse. So what I'm attempting to do is I can push down on the bucket and raise this front up and stuff things under it. So I'm going to stuff a few things under it right here. I've already got something under there, but I'm going to try to get something else a little bit deeper. And once I get it stuffed under there, I'm going to fill the bucket full of dirt with the excavator over there. And when I fill that bucket full of dirt, it'll have a lot of weight in it, like counterweight. And I'm hoping it will lift that rear up. And then I'm going to dig all that muddy dirt out. Which there is some good dirt in there, because when I first started getting it unstuck, I threw in a bunch of good dirt and it really didn't work too well. But when I dug out that spot, that's the dirt I dug out, so I just got to move it out of the way and then pack in the good dirt, which I have a pile right there, and then I have a dump truck load. For some reason my dump truck didn't want to crank just now, so I've got to figure out what's up with that. I believe it's the fuel pump. But that's my deal. Stuck in the mud, I'm going to use a lever action deal and try to lever this thing up off the rear using weight in the front, raise it in the back, put some really good red dirt in the back, and then see if I can't crawl out of here. All right. Okay, we're going to grab the excavator, start digging. First things first, we're going to stuff a rock underneath the track in the front, the idler and the track, and also a little log that's laying there right there. That spreads the load out underneath it, kind of keeps it from sinking. When I fill the bucket up, I'm going to use a chain tied off to a tree, sycamore tree, 30 inches or so in diameter, that will hold the bucket somewhat. As I raise it up, it'll make the rear end come up out of the mud. Once that happens, this thing is unstuck. Anytime you get stuck, you should stop right then and work on some kind of situation where you can get it unstuck, similar to this. If you keep messing with it, it'll just be a disaster. So good luck out there. I hope it works as well for you as it did for me.